Nathan Cox, thanks for joining us around the home. Okay, so we're going to talk about lighting. Okay, lighting is a very important thing. I'm going to show you guys these cool new LED wafer lights. And some of this video is going to be recorded with me on my cell phone, and we're going to voice over just because it's the camera I had at the time. Okay, but let me show you specifically what I'm talking about right behind me. All right, so remodeling this bathroom, and there was a big light box here, which were like built in the 80s and 90s, where over the vanity it would drop down and have two big can lights in it, right? So we wanted to get rid of that, but we need to put some lighting back in this area. Okay, there we go. Now that is some nice lighting. Let's show you what's producing all this light. Okay, now these are lights I'm talking about right here. It's from a company called Juno, and it's a 6-inch wafer light, okay? I purchased these at Lowe's, but I will have Amazon links in the description down below for the exact same model, okay? And they were actually cheaper on Amazon, but I needed them the same day to get them in, so whatever. And this is the part where I have to tell you I'm an Amazon affiliate, so using those links do help support our channel, but which is great, because you can help support us. It doesn't cost you a penny. So just please click those links. Click, click, click. All right, so there you see I've already put them in. Those are a couple of what look like 6-inch can lights, right? But they don't require a can, which is so cool. There we go. Carefully wiggle them out. You'll see they got two spring tabs. This is the whole light fixture right here. That's why they call these wafers, okay? They don't require the can fixture, so they're easy to install on a remodel if you want to add some light like that. So I just took the wires that was already coming up into this over the vanity and brought them over here into the main bathroom area here. The other cool thing about these is that right here on the electrical box, it's got a switch here, so you can change the color of the light. All the way from very soft white, which is a bit of yellowish, all the way to like pure like daylight, like 6,000 Kelvin, which is almost got a blue tint to it. Let me show you. Okay, and I said 6,000, but this one actually stops at 5,000. So we got 5,000, 4,000, 3,500, 3,000, and 2,700 Kelvin for the different temperatures. So here we go from super white. I'm gonna try to notch it all the way down. And then we're just gonna keep getting more yellow. There we go, pretty sweet. Okay, here we are. Let's open this up and see what's inside. So we have a foam ring that's used for insulation. Put that to the side. Instruction booklet, throw that to the side. Template here. Let me get it out of the box. It's actually a pretty nice template. It's actually a pretty thick cardstock. Here's our light. You see how thin it is, and we're going to separate that from the electrical box. So we can just set that to the side. This is easier with two hands, obviously. Ugh. Okay, now let's get that electrical box out of here. Okay, now we're going to open it up. You can see right here, the two plates there, pops open, pretty easy. And then inside, we've actually got some nice push connectors, which makes these a lot easier, quicker to use. We do got to do the punch outs, and this one here really wanted to fight me. It really did not want to let go, but get this thing punched out without bending the box up too badly, so we can put our cable connector on. You can see here the cable connector size. And it's pretty simple to do. We're just going to take the nut off the back, okay? And then just slip it through and then put the nut back on. Now this way here, we're going to get the Romax in, and it will safely secure the Romax so it can't be pulled out on accident. Now we're going to take the template and put it up where we need to cut our hole. Try to be aware where the joists are so you don't cut right into one, but also use a tool that doesn't cut too deep because you never know what might be in there, like this pipe right there. Okay, then how do you put these into the ceiling, okay? So the box does have screw holes on it, so if you want to screw it to a ceiling joist or something close by, you can. Okay, not everyone's going to have a ceiling joist close by or easy to access. And then you just got these spring tabs here. The foam seal does slip on there. That helps to keep, you know, heat and cold out. So once you slip that up and over, then you're just going to fold the spring tabs up. Make sure the wire goes up, and then it's going to really pretty much pull itself into place. There you go. Okay, a quick simple video, show you guys how to install and use these cool wafer lights that don't require a can fixture. A nice upgrade for a room when you're trying to add some lighting, whether it's a bathroom or kitchen or just some other place. Anyways, please subscribe to the channel, hit that bell for notifications, check out our website, hundreds of more videos organized really, really well along with other resources, and there's another video for you guys to enjoy. Thanks again.